So my name is Christo. I'm based in Grenoble in France, and my responsibility is to support the countries for channel perspective, contractors, panel builders in Europe. So I'm working with all the countries in Europe. And we are extremely happy to launch today the Contractors program. So we are, in this company, we have three main assets. We have brilliant technology and softwares, hardware, etc. We have a brilliant people, and also we have a brilliant partners. And when we are going to what David just explained, sustainability, decarbonization, it's not about doing this alone. So if we are not together, we will be not successful. It's like in our private and business life. In private life, if you decide to do some sustainability action, decarbonization in your family, if you're doing it alone, but your family is not doing, okay, you'll be not successful. So the question is how we can engage our ecosystem of partners towards what we want to do. And we call this partnership of the future. And probably you remember what is electricity 4.0 equal to electrification plus digitization. Why we want to electrify? Because we believe that electricity is the fastest way going to the best energy to decarbonize. And digitize because we want to make invisible visible. So we don't know really how we are consuming energy. We don't know really how we are managing the energy. But now the technology is there. Now you can see a lot of sensors. These products here are full with sensors. Okay, 20 years ago you can see just a breaker, just a protection relay, nothing more. Now you open one switch gear, you can see plenty of sensors inside, which is giving information. Information is easy to access, easy to take, and which is making us more clever to take a good decision. So we call this partnership of the future. How together we move from the situation today to tomorrow by developing different type of competency. This is the three messages again from the presentation of David. We have a clear plan how to do it. Strategize, digitize, decarbonize in 3 steps. And we have concrete actions which I want to present you, how we are starting the journey and where we really need your help, your support and your commitment here. When we started in Schneider Electric, and we are part of Fortune 500, we have a clear commitment to our shareholders that we are going in this way. We are putting our personal objectives, and we have a clear scorecard what we want to do. And it took a lot to change ourselves, mindset. So people mindset, and when we speak about strategizing, is really to put our own plans and also our company plans. What we want to do. And we have many initiatives. I don't want to speak here, but here one of our commitments is that we are working now with ecosystem of partners which are preferred partners to us in case they have their own plans. So our factories here, this factory is working with all suppliers which they deploy different type of initiatives which is helping the decarbonization. So in our tender documents, we already have requirements. And I believe your company also start to face a lot of tenders where the sustainability is part of the spec. When we speak about digitization, we have plenty of technology here to monitor, to identify, to make the reports. So here, you know all the topics of EcoStruxure power. Here, and decarbonization is all about triple R economy: reduce, replace, recycle, electrify, and engage. Very clear. I will give you some messages here how we are starting the journey. So in the first step, where we want to strategize, we are helping our partners by starting building the competency with a new module which is called Sustainability School. And I will come back later about how you can benefit from Sustainability School. Also, we are launching a new tool, new dashboard, which is called Zygo, where you can understand your profile, and you can take decarbonization actions. Okay? Then, related to digitize, we are launching a program which is called EcoXpert, and I will come a bit later about the EcoXpert achievement. And when we speak about decarbonize, many actions related to our offers. So we are launching, for example, a new Master Pact range, which is recycle, repair, remanufacture breaker. And very soon you are going to see this breaker also in your market. Speaking about sustainability school, it's a model which you can apply through your profile in online. And these are absolutely free of charge, 3 chapters, which I strongly recommend not only you to share with your people, your employees, but also with your families. These are 3 modules, which are, in the first module, basically describing the main concern, main risk of related to sustainability. Very nice modules, which are not developed only by Schneider, but also external third-party consultant. And personally, I learned a lot from this module. The second module is how to deploy sustainability actions in your company. Okay, how you can become more better to manage your trash, to manage your energy, to switch more to electrification, etc. And the third module of sustainability school is about business, because everybody who is jumping to sustainability is seeing a business behind. And more you can see that all the businesses people, they prefer to work with companies which are already part of the journey. So again, everybody can jump. In UK is launched. I discussed yesterday with Vildan. Probably something like 50 people or 50 companies already are taking this model. So highly recommend for you if you want to use it. Just apply and take opportunity to take these models. Zego, it's a specific tool where we are helping people to construct their profile, company profile, and before you are starting, you have to, in France, they're telling fait de poids. Okay, you have to position yourself. My situation now, I have this amount of CO2 emissions which I'm generating. My operations are generating. Probably you are aware, scope 1, scope 2, scope 3. Yes? Okay, so here you can position yourself, and in this tool, dynamically, you can also build your action plan and monitor dynamically the achievement. So for everybody who wants to receive more information, can call Schneider Electric or directly go to Zego website. You can understand what is about, how this tool and dashboard can help you to build your plan. Okay, and I want to speak now with few slides about EcoXpert. When we are speaking about digitization, EcoXpert is a brand of Schneider Electric where we would like really to ensure our competency and skills. It's a skills recognition program. It's not anymore a product recognition. We really want to recognize people which are helping and partnering on the electricity 4.0. So you can see that this program is already onboarding 4,500 partners globally in more than 80 countries. So, and it has a strong recognition, this program. And this is one program where we call our EcoXpert partners are the top partners in Schneider Electric, which are ambassadors of EcoStruxure Power. So the people which are deploying the digital architectures of EcoStruxure Power. Whenever we are discussing with end users, specifiers, contractors, whenever on the market, when everybody is asking us, for example, last week I had some requests from data center owners is asking, could you please give your most competent people who are able to commission digital architecture in my data center? So we are always assigning EcoXperts. So EcoXpert is our brand of recognition of competencies. So what we are doing here. So we have 3 basic streams: power, building, and grid. 3 types of technologies in 5 segments: home, buildings, industry, data center, and infrastructure. So for everybody who wants to be upskilled and go to the next level of competency, this program has a clear deployment plan. As it was mentioned by Vildan, we can help you to be upskilled, and then we can help you to be promoted and become partner of the deployment of EcoStruxure power and EcoStruxure architectures. In fact, these are, we call badges. Badges means a set of competencies, set of knowledge, which together we are developing in different parts of building architecture. I can give you several examples. When we speak about power automation, medium voltage substations, SCADA, etc., we develop the badge of EcoXpert Power Automation. So when we speak about digital panel, the people which can manufacture the digital IoT technology inside the MV, LV, so you get this specific competency. So we call this EcoXpert Digital Panel. When we go to the OpEx business, when the people who are serving the buildings, maintaining the buildings, and probably today the maintenance of the electrical infrastructure requesting a different skills, we call this EcoXpert Services. In fact, we have 11 badges in these 3 types of technologies: building and residential automation, very fast. We have EcoXpert Home and Small Buildings Automation, EcoXpert Building Automation, EcoXpert Building Security. When we go to the grid, we have we are delivering the competency around e-mobility and microgrid. So these are the 2 topics which are exploding now. We are seeing the market in Europe is exploding, and which is requesting a specific competency, especially when we speak about microgrid and prosumers. Then the EcoXpert Power Distribution and Management, we are covering several specializations, which are power distribution, digital panel, power upgrade, power management, power automation, and power services. So each of these, just a small example, these badges, there is a technology, hardware, there is a software behind, there are specific competency, and there is specific action plan, how together Schneider and EcoXpert are approaching the market and taking leads and opportunities and business behind. Okay, this is everything about EcoXpert, and the next point which I want to speak, it's about specialization. Why specialization? We are seeing more and more segments which is requesting dedicated architectures, where we put electrification plus digitization together. And if we take some segments like healthcare, real estate, retail, hotels, data center, and life science, we are seeing that the technology is requesting a different skills and competence in architectures. Here, Schneider Electric is proposing, we call it reference design architectures, where we are working together with electrical designers to deploy them. And every time when we go to electrical design end users, the first question is, great, do you have a competency who can deploy this? This is amazing, it's a new technology. Do you have? Our answer is yes. We are working with our EcoXperts, and these are the people which are capable to deploy this type of technology in your segment. So we are deploying different EcoXperts specialized in different type of buildings. One other example is about Buzzway specialization program, and this is my was white, where it's specifically for contractors who wants to become a specialist in the Buzzway system. So in the UK, we already have 3 companies, and we want really significantly to expand the specialization program on Buzzway, and soon we are going to come with a proposal to you. That's all from my side. I would like just to discuss in reality what we are doing on partnership of the future.